Hello, everybody. Welcome to Kujo's Candles Co. My name is Marie Jean. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new or if you're not, it doesn't matter. Thank you so much for being here. So, today we are going to be making candles with these 8 ounces of 8 ounces tins. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse from the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I am doing a voiceover because then I realized that while I was filming this video that my microphone wasn't on. So thankfully it wasn't faced on my face so that you will see my mouth moving. But anyways, I just went ahead and sprayed some alcohol in the tins, and now I am wiping them all because you already know that once you're making candles you need to spray alcohol in your vessels or tins and wipe them all so that there is no dirt in there. Now I am putting a label on it. These labels I have stated so many times. I got them from Amazon, and I bought a lot and I still have them. So I'm just going to finish them and then venture into making my own labels. So now I am using the wick sticker that I got from Amazon, and I'll be putting my wick holder onto the sticker and then insert that into the tins so that the wick is, that's how the wick burn. That's how the candle burns. You know what I mean? So yeah, I was cleaning that wick holder because I saw some kind of like bit of dust on it. It's not dust, it was like, I don't know, some little, I don't know, you know what I mean. So I wiped it off, and here I am. This time I decided to use extra small wicks for my for my 8 ounces tins. Yeah, because like if you're not using the extra small, you can use like one small or like one medium. You're just gonna have to do your testing, but I decided to do my two extra small wicks, which I have actually tested, which I am on vacation right now, and while I am voice recording this. So I have one of my tins with me, and it's 2 wicked and it works perfectly. The fragrance smells amazing. So anyways, these are the wicks, and I wicked them all with that 2 wicks. And then now I have 3 fragrances that I will be using from Candles and Supplies. Very sexy her Victoria's Secret type. It smells good. Cranberry orange, oh my goodness. Orange blossom is like one of my favorite because that's what I am burning right now in my while on vacation. So here I have my scale, and I will be measuring my fragrance oil in this little picture that I got from Amazon. And here I am measuring my fragrance oil, and I decided to just do like 5 tins per fragrance. So yeah, now I am measuring my wax, and yeah, so let me be quiet and let you guys watch it for now. Oh yeah, so I ran out of wax and I decided to just add more to it while I was making candles. So make sure you guys measure your wax. I'm doing this because I know what I'm doing. I have been doing it for a while. So yeah, now I go ahead and mixing my cooling it off, stirring it because the temperature was a bit high. And I just realized that my camera wasn't really, it wasn't positioned correctly. So I apologize for that. But yeah, I go ahead and check the temperature and make sure that it's between 180 to 185, and that's when I will add my fragrance oil. Now I am going to be adding my fragrance oil. If you are wondering, I got that little cup from the Dollar Tree for $3 for $1. It's so cute. I should be using it in my kitchen too because this is my kitchen 2.0. But I go ahead and stir it. It was, my temperature was between 180 to 185, probably about 183. That's when I usually add my fragrance oil. So I make sure I stir it really well, and then I'll go ahead and pour the wax mixed with the fragrance oil into the tins. Now I am positioning right. I yeah, just position it so that I'm comfortable the way I am pouring. Make sure you are pouring slowly because you don't want any bubbles there. And guys, oh my gosh, I found this trick that once you find bubble in your wax after you pour it, do not worry about it. I'm talking about when it's still liquefied like this. Don't worry, all you have to do is blow it, like literally just blow it. Like, I just found this out. Probably this wasn't a secret to other people, but for me, I did not know this, so I was excited because I found out about it by myself. So yeah, so I go ahead and pour it. I had some left, and I decided to have a little small tiny tin. I think that's like a 3 ounce tin or 6 ounce tin. I think it's a 6 ounce tin, and then yeah, that's it right there. But it only holds about 4 ounce of wax, or three, depending on how you calculate it. Yeah, so I go ahead and just fix that, and because it wasn't ready, so I pour the wax into it. So yeah, I continue to cut the wicks right there, and then move them to my shelf. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm moving soon. My studio will be different. You'll see. So now I am taking another other two tins, smaller ones, and then basically have them next to the other big ones, so that just in case I have enough left, I will pour into it. Honestly, like, it doesn't bother me if I have some left, because I take it with me when I travel, because I want to smell like home. I don't want to miss home really early when I'm on vacation, so I take them with me. So here go, I am going to be making another batch of like 6 vessels, 6 tins. So yeah, go ahead and cut the wicks. I decided to try this method too and see how it works. Yeah, so now I am mixing my fragrance, making sure the temperature is right, again between 185 to 180. Usually I put it in around 183. So here we go, I am mixing and mixing. So now I am pouring the wax into the tins, and yeah, basically I had some more left because that's what I actually wanted. And yeah, for the small tin, and I went ahead and pour into there. So now, do you remember when I told you to like measure your wax? That's because, like I said, I knew what I was doing, and then I had exactly enough for 5 tins this time. So now, as you see, I am basically measuring my fragrance oil because I had it wrong, but then I decided to recalculate, and there you go, mixing again. So now, guys, I checked the temperature. I'm good to go. Add my fragrance oil, Yes, oh my gosh, this is like one of my favorite parts because the fragrance, the smell of it is just so amazing. If you're a candle maker, you know what I mean, especially when you have good fragrance. So here we go, I am mixing, and I'm just going to pour them into the tins soon. This time I only have enough for 5 tins, so I am not going to do anything with the small little tiny one that's like in the front on the left right there. So I'm not going to do anything with that. And here I am pouring. This pouring process is just, oh my god. So anyways, I poured, and then you will see me blowing the bubbles out, and then they're gone. You don't have to wait until they're dry or cured for you to like uh, heat gun do that heat gun thing. So anyways, that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so very much for sticking with me today, and I will see you sometimes next week when I get home and put my stuff away because I'm coming from a long trip, and organize myself and all that. But anyways, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys again. Take care. Bye.